What if I told you there's a place where mythology and history stand side by side, where every stone has a story and every ruin whispers the glory of a forgotten empire? ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೇಚರ್ ನೋಟ. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಇನ್ಮುಂದೆ ವಾರಕ್ಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಸುಂದರ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಅದ್ಭುತಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಅವುಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆ ಅಡಗಿರುವ ಇತಿಹಾಸ, ಪುರಾಣ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ತರುವ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ. ಯುನೆಸ್ಕೋ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆರಿಟೇಜ್ ಸೈಟ್. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಹಂಪಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಜಯನಗರ ಸಾಮ್ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಅದ್ಭುತ ರಾಜಧಾನಿಯಾಗಿತ್ತು. ದಿ ಸಿಟಿ was known across the world for its grand temples, magnificent architecture, vibrant markets, and immense wealth. But did you know, according to the Ramayana tradition, many people believe this region was one Kishkinda, the kingdom of Sugriva, where Lord Hanuman is believed to have spent his childhood and where Lord Rama is said to have met Hanuman for the very first time. Imagine, the same hills and boulders you see today are believed to have witnessed stories from the Ramayana and centuries later became home to one of India's greatest empires. Today, Hampi is like an open-air museum. The majestic Virupaksha temple, the iconic stone chariot, the stunning Vijaya Vittala temple and the serene Tungabhadra river together create an unforgettable experience. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆ ಇದೆ, ಪ್ರತಿ ದೇವಾಲಯವೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿಯ ಒಂದು ಅಧ್ಯಾಯ. And here's a fascinating fact before we end. About 500 years ago, foreign travelers described Hampi as one of the richest cities in the world. They wrote about markets where diamonds, pearls, and precious gems were traded openly. Just imagine, the peaceful ruins we admire today were once filled with kings, merchants, artists, and travelers from across the world. ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರವಾಸಿ ತಾಣವಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇತಿಹಾಸ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ. I am excited to have begun this journey with all of you. See you next week with another episode of Namma Nadu Namma Hemme. Until then, keep exploring, keep wondering. This is Nature Nota. Namaskara.